Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this particular video we are going to add members into our team for Wix. So how can we actually do that? So here we are at wix.com. This is my website, and we have a couple of options how we can reach it. I'm gonna start with the fastest one. On top right corner we have site actions. In site actions we have rename site, preview site, well, all of those things which we can't do at the moment, but we have add collaborators. We're gonna click there, and we are going to add a collaborator. The other way around, if you don't want to go through these three dots, or you are watching this video when Wix changed the whole look of the dashboard, we want to go to settings on the bottom left part and go to roles and permissions. And we can manage roles here or invite collaborators, and that's what we are going to do. So first of all, we need to add ourselves an recipient, the guy who will receive the invite, the guy or the girl that you want to invite into your team. So we have roles: admin, website manager, back office manager, content. We have tons of options in here, tons of options. Store roles, point of sales or payment roles. And if you won't be able to find any role that can hold this one, you can create a new role. For example, Mr. Do It All, and go to, for example, site members, manage site members. Okay, and sites, invite people, marketing tools, manage coupons, social post, blah blah blah, and we can save it. So right now we created a custom role, Mr. Do It All, for HR especially, but obviously you can pick anything you like: content writer, website manager, basically everything, and then send invite. This invite is for a colleague at my business, for example, but you can go with specifically different ones, and hit done. Right now the invite is pending, and yeah, website manager has access to blah blah blah. Yep. This guy has 30 days to till accepting, or has 30 days until this invite will perish. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.